Hello friends, welcome back to English class. I hope you all are doing well and you must have revised all the topics taught earlier. Today, I, Miss Meenu Pandit, your English mentor, is here once again with another topic with another video. Children, do you remember last time what topic we did? We did noun and its kind. So today we'll continue the series Noun Gender. I know you all have done this chapter in your previous class. Today, through this video, we'll revise the topic gender and learn some new points related to it. Before moving further, let's revise what is noun. Now you all know what is noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or an idea. For example, as you can see here, Queen Elizabeth is a name of person. Church is a name of place. Laptop is a name of thing. And peacock is a name of bird. So these all words are the example of noun. Now let's understand what is gender. Gender is defined as a classification of noun, which we learnt earlier. So classification of noun or pronoun as feminine means female, masculine male, common male or female could be both, and neuter. Now there are 4 kinds of gender in English language. That is masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Now we learn one by one about them. First is masculine gender. What is masculine gender? A noun or pronoun that refers to a male or that tells us about the male character is called to be of the masculine gender. The words which tell us about that they belong to male. For example, boy, male, uncle, tiger. Some more example, father, brother, son. So they all tell us about the male character. They belong to male character. That's why they are called to be of masculine gender. Next is feminine gender. A noun or pronoun that refers to a female. The words which tell us about the female character, they are called to be of the feminine gender. For example, lady, female character, queen, lioness. Some more example, mother, sister, madam. So they all are feminine. Next is common gender. A noun that may be used for both male or female. Or you can understand the words which tell us they might be of masculine or they might be of feminine. For example, if I call about player. So player, by reading or by listening this word player, you are not sure that player is male or female. It could be both. So player is common gender. Same student. If I talk about hello student, so I am talking both boys and girls. So student is common gender. Same with teacher. Teacher is common gender. You cannot be sure teacher is a male or female. If I talk about sir, you are sure it's a masculine. If I say madam, you are sure it's a feminine gender. But if I say teacher, so teacher could be used for male and female, both. So that's why teacher is a common gender. Next category is neuter gender. A noun that refers to a thing, or you can understand non-living things come in the category of neuter gender. For example, chair, table, house. So all the non-living things come in the category of neuter gender. Now, we'll learn how to change a particular gender into another gender. Change from feminine to masculine or masculine to feminine. Children, as if there is no particular rule, but by reading them again and again, by practicing them, you can learn. Some feminines are formed by adding ESS at the end of the masculine gender, like lion. So we'll add ESS and it will become lioness, female. Lion, male, lioness, female. Tiger, tigress. Poet, poetess. God, goddess. Actor, actress. Waiter, waitress. But children, here I want to add, then before adding ESS, you have to make some changes. Sometimes you have to make some changes in the spelling of masculine. As you can see the example of tiger. Tiger spelling TIGER. But when we add ESS, the spelling of tigress will be TIGRESS. So we have removed E between G and R. So some kind of changes you have to make. Some feminine are formed by adding INE also, like hero, heroine. Here I want to draw your attention the word duke. Duke is a post. Duke or the feminine is duchess. Duchess. So you have to practice them, read them again and again. The feminine of a compound noun which are formed by adding two words, is formed by changing the part that shows its gender. For example, grandfather. So grand will be same, father will change into mother. So grandfather feminine is grandmother. Landlord. Landlord feminine is landlady. Milkman. Some of the children make mistake when they change the gender of milkman. They do it milkwoman. No. Milkman feminine gender is milkmaid. Peacock, peahen. Mother-in-law. So now here we will change mother into father. So the gender will be father-in-law. Washerman. Now here man will change into woman and the washerman feminine gender is washerwoman. So like this you have to change into the gender. Some of the genders are totally different from their masculine. Like bull is masculine, female is cow. Bull, cow, husband, wife, king, queen, nephew, niece, horse, mare, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, monk, nun, gentleman, lady. Don't say gentlewoman, okay? Have you heard? Ladies and gentlemen. So, gentleman, lady. Lad. Lad is masculine. Lad, lass. Father, mother, cock, hen. Now, here I am telling you some points which you have to remember while changing gender in a sentence. When a noun changes from one gender to another, from masculine to feminine or from feminine to masculine, in a sentence, the pronoun should also be changed. Whatever pronoun is given in the sentence, as example you can see, my uncle went to market with his son. So here you have to change gender uncle and son. So uncle will change into aunt. So my aunt went to market with. Now son you will change into daughter. But what about his? Because here we are talking about aunt now. So his also will be changed into her. So answer, my aunt went to market with her daughter. So like this, you keep remember changing pronoun also. For masculine gender, we use he, him or his. For feminine gender, we use she or her as a pronoun. And for neuter gender and common, we use it or its. So I hope you all have revised topic gender and keep on reading, watching the videos and practicing it. Bye bye. Thank you.